and welcome to Curry TV. Today we are going to be making an easy peasy fried rice, a mixed vegetable fried rice. So let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. For this recipe we'll be using any flavorless oil. So I'm using vegetable oil here. We need 2 tablespoons of that. Minced ginger 1 teaspoon. Black and white peppercorns, when we ground it into powder, we need 1 teaspoon of that. And I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, this is light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Salt, sugar is just half a teaspoon just to balance all our flavors together, and salt is of course according to your desire, to your taste. And to bring that vegetables all together, we'll be using celery 3/4 cup, scallions, the bottom part of the green onion, we'll be using about 3/4 cup, green beans about 1/2 cup. Because these are all green, I didn't want to give more of the green in our fried rice, so I just minimized on the beans. We need the top part of the scallions for 3/4 cup, and bell pepper, you could choose any color of your choice. I have 3/4 cup of red bell pepper here. Cabbage, green or purple, I got 3/4 cup, and carrots, so that is also 3/4 cup. Now for the rice, what I did was I took 2 cups of basmati rice, which I soaked it in water for 20 minutes or so, and then I cooked it for 10 minutes, and that yields out to 4 cups of cooked rice. Which you then do is keep it in your fridge overnight, so that becomes a day-old rice, and that's the best rice to make your fried rice in. So let's get the show on the road. To make fried rice, it's always best to use a wok. So I'm using an Asian wok here. Let's heat it on high heat. When the pan becomes really hot, it becomes smoky in there, and then that's when we add our oil. So let's wait for that. Okay, it's become smoky in here. Let's add 2 tablespoons of our vegetable oil just to saute all our, this is our minced ginger goes in, our minced garlic. Okay, at this point we are going to lower the heat. We don't want to brown any of those. At this time we are going to go in with our scallions, the bottom part of the green onion, along with celery. Heat is very low. Let's saute all this very well for about a minute or so. Perfect. At this time we are going to go in. Beans takes longer time to cook than any bell pepper, cabbage, any of those. Beans and carrots go in together. It's been about a minute or so. We're going to go in with our cabbage. I'm just making my fried rice very colorful. You could use green, of course, anytime. In goes our bell pepper. We still want to retain that crunchiness from our vegetables, so just saute for a couple seconds, and goes in our fried or rice, making it fried. Okay, this is that cooked 4 cups of basmati rice. All goes in. I have ground our black pepper and white pepper together. Let's add that in. Into that goes our soy sauce, our vinegar, to balance all this we need some sugar, and season this with some salt. Right now I'm going to add half of our top part of the scallions, green part of it. Let's mix it all together. If you can do the shakety shake, that's the time for it. Okay, after we do the shakety shake, we are going to keep it on the stove for about a couple of minutes so that bottom of the rice or at the bottom of the pan, it gets fried on the rice and then it'll be good to go. So that's how simple it is to make a fried rice at home. And we're going to chop it off. We're going to reserve some for the garnish, but top it off with some green onion. Wonderful, colorful fried rice. Our fried rice is donezo. Alright, we're going to turn off the stove and we are going to serve this. Alright, there you have it. Our easy peasy mixed vegetable fried rice is ready. Under 10 minutes, so do not hesitate to make this at home. Let me know how it turned out for you, and I'll see you on Creative TV. See you. Bye-bye.